into it. Moving on, he's the man who inspired the film Chak De India. And today, M.K. Kaushik, the coach of the Indian hockey team, stands disgraced after allegations of sexual misconduct by members of his team.
Kaushik says that he no longer wants to do anything with this hockey team and that the charges against him are entirely fabricated, an argument that seems to find favour with some of those looking into the incident.
जो बात हमने क्लियर करनी थी वो कमेटी के आगे क्लियर कर दी है और उसके बाद निर्णय फेवरेबली होगा, मेरी फेवर में ही होगा, लेकिन मैं टीम कोचिंग कंटिन्यू नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
A confusing situation indeed. M.K. Kaushik knows he's not guilty of sexual harassment, but clearly he doesn't want the job anymore. The committee members who heard him out also seem convinced that he is innocent.
The player has said without any proof. That's nothing is supporting. If a third person is saying, yes, I have also heard what he used to tell the players. So she has nothing to explain on this issue.
So far, there's been only one player who's made allegations in a letter which has been signed by the rest of the team members. But now a lot of other voices are coming forward in the form of former players who've been sidelined. And that makes one wonder if there is a conspiracy theory behind all this.
It's not a shocking thing because मैं जब टीम में तो ये बात हुआ था, लेकिन ऑफिशियल के बीच में ही हो रहा था, टीम मेंबर्स के साथ नहीं हो रहा था.
Meanwhile, the interim body that is running hockey in India doesn't seem to have many ideas on how to resolve the issue. It's not even clear if they will make an attempt to get Kaushik to change his mind if he is officially cleared of these charges.
So Hockey India will now compile the reports from both the parties and submit it to the Sports Authority of India. Hockey India itself cannot do anything about it. It has to be done by SAI because both the video analyst and the coach are employees with the Sports Authority of India. With Vimal Mohan in New Delhi, Suprita Das for NDTV.